Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Let's take a look at the Funwhole medieval market set. Now I'm excited about that. There's a goat! I haven't got a goat yet, so that's cool. I love the design of these two residences or buildings. They look pretty good. And with every Funwhole set, you get a set of lights included, which is awesome. So it's really great while you're building, you install the lights. And that box was super heavy, so there's going to be lots of bricks in this set. Looks very detailed by the picture there. So we get 2 instruction booklets. And oh, that looks like a little dress, I think, for the minifig. Stickers, got some very nice detailed stickers. Now these stickers are hard to put on, as you've probably seen in my other videos, but I love the look of this medieval market square. So lights are included, and it just shows you how you need to install them properly, or you will break them. I've broken a few wires, but I had some spares, so I was lucky. So very detailed instructions. They are super easy to read. So here it just shows you how to install the lights as you go, which makes it much easier, I think. And how many steps are in this? 388 steps all up. So it is a very large set. They've got lots of other cool stuff on offer. And look at all these parts. Nicely numbered bags in this. So 12 numbered bags I think there's going to be in this set. I really like how everything's packaged so nicely from this company. Now this is where you get your bricks light kit. So I'm just going to open it up. So it keeps it all nice and neat and tidy and safe. So a few light bits there and the power box. So all up, this set has 2,614 pieces, and it comes in 46 numbered 46 bags all up, I should say. Now I can't wait to see my first goat. Yes, I get a goat. Woohoo! Alrighty, let's take a look. We're going to start with popping all the minifigs together. So you got to build them a little bit, put their little arms and hands in place. So that must be like a farmer dude. I don't know, he looked like a scarecrow. Here's the lady with her little dress. There are lots of details on these little characters. They're quite nice. This guy here, now I think he works at the forge, and he's got a cool little hat there and some stubble growing on his face. Another guy. I love the outfits. They do represent medieval look, I think, which is really good. And this guy, I like him. But look, it looks like you can scratch their behinds with the bendable arms they have. I had to show you that. It was perfect timing for that. Anyway, chicken. I really like the look of that chicken. Nice printing. Now here's the goat. My first goat. It is a little bit misprinted. I've got a few extra markings there. Maybe it's a special goat with extra marks on it. But I love those characters. And yes, goat. Here's bag 1. So this will be the bakery, and I've got the lady holding the little chicken there, and it looks like she's selling fruits and veggies there and lots of breads. And I like the little light fittings there on the side of the wall too. Lots of detail with the brown on the wall there to make it look like wooden planks, I guess. So it's very detailed already. It was quite good to build, I have to say, but this light here, now on the diagram it showed me it should have been all the way out here, so I have used the right one. I'm hoping it is going to work out in the end when I go to fit it off. So around the back here, you can actually swing this open so you can access what's inside. So you can see all the little details inside. We've got the little bread oven there. Got all foods here ready for sale. I love the little candle. It looks really good lit up also. The upstairs is built now. Great detail in this. I love the wooden planks they've stuck on the side. It feels like a Tudor style building, and I think that's going to be like a connecting little veranda walkway to the other building. We've got little windows there. They used slopey bits for the windows, which look cool. And once again, you can swing open so you can see everything inside. Now, my tiles aren't going on really well. I had a few problems with the lights. I actually crimped them too much, so they weren't working. Then I had to undo everything, rebuild it, and they started working again. So I'll just turn them on for you so you can see. Always turn the lights on as I build, so I know that they're working. I wouldn't want to rip apart everything later at the end. But yeah, you got to be careful with the wires that you don't squish them in between the tiles. I just want to show you underneath here. So we've got a little light under the water thing because it heats up the water, and the candles and fire actually flicker, so it's a good effect. Okay, so I've done part of the thatched roof here. This looks really nice. That's actually printed, which is really good. I love how it looks like hay on the roof. And then all this, oh, hang on, I'm showing you the battery pack. So it's actually stored in the roof space, which is cool. So you don't have it showing everywhere. And this is the other side of the roof. I'll just turn the lights off there. Pretty good design. I like how you can open it so you can play with it and even turn on the lights on and off quite easily. And I just lost some hay. I got to pop that back on. There we go, quick repair. Love the detail here on the side. This does feel like a Tudor style building to me. They've represented this building really well. So that's the first building done. This here is the Armoury and Forge. Now I like the terracing they've done, the different greens they've used and the greys. The window detail here is really nice, what I was pointing to. It is a very neat looking building, this one. So you swing open the back, and this is where the little man makes all the weaponry. So we've got a little fireplace there to heat all the metal up. Got a little shield there, there's a sword, and there's a helmet. So I'll close that back up now. This is really nice. Very detailed front here with all the arches and the little bits you put on there as well for extra details and textures. And we've got a little tub of water here and it lights up. That's a really cool effect there. It's really, really nice. We've got the fire blazing inside. Oh, it's looking good. Here's part of the upstairs, and we got this window that's sticking out a little bit with some blue roof tiles for added colour there. Loving the arched entrance way there. So this is the town council office. So we've got this little picture hanging here for decoration. There's that pokey out window on the side. The candles look really cool here. I actually use Santa's beard on the bottom of that candle. This is the second floor done now. So it looks really nice. I love all the details in this set. The inside and outside looks really good. So I added quite a few extra wires in here for the lights. It's going to be quite a bit lit up on this level and the next level. So I added in some stairs there, chimney. Yeah, so this is a really cool looking office. So the third floor on this building, you'll be able to lift up as it's a modular style. Just a few additions here. We've got this awning veranda added, the staircase here. So there's quite a bit of detail there on the side, and the doors to the office here. So they're built up. And that looks pretty good. We'll just take a peek what it looks like under there. Whoops, I broke the flag, but just with the stickers, if you don't line them up properly, you cannot reposition them. That's the only downfall with these sets, so you've got to have a real steady hand with the stickers. This here is the consulate residence. So he's got a little bed and a desk there. So it looks like he's looking at a map. I like the candle here on the stick. You know, they got to have some light there. Would have been dark. Like the 4-poster bed, and that's a little cabinet. I really like this level and the design of this building with the slanted walls and the slanted roof. Got some little extra windows there, gold details. Make it look a little bit more expensive on this build. Then you open it up so you can have a look inside. A lot of details inside this little room. Here's the roof for this building, and I like how this has been built. Look at this angled roof and the wall there sticking out. I really liked that. It was very cleverly built actually, with some Technic pins in there. It's going to look really nice once I put it on top here. And you just place it on so it doesn't actually click in with anything. So that's cool. So there you go, you open it up so you can look inside or be like a play feature, or you can remove the roof as well. So I'm just going to place that on there. So the middle level, you have to remove the third level to access the inside, the interior. But check that out. That's looking really nice. And I've got a chimney here, so I've got to pop the chimney through the roof. So I guess you got to remove the chimney when you want to remove the roof as well. I like this. It looks really good. Final bag, we built this beautiful tree. We've got a little meat market there with a chicken drumstick hanging down. So that's done, and you just pop the two buildings together like that. And there's the little ramp to the other building. So this is how it looks like together. It's actually quite a large set. It looks really nice. I like that they're not attached together, so you can move them around in your medieval town or city. A very good display this is, I think. The Funwhole Medieval Market Set. A beautiful set. It looks really, really good in real life. I love that it comes with the lights and they're cleverly placed so they're not all showing. I like that the battery pack's in the roof. I like the effect of the flickering lights for the flames and the candles. Gives a really realistic look. Some of the bricks are scratched. They are of good quality and some don't click as well as the others, but it all holds together well, and I didn't have anything fall off or fall apart, so that's really good. All in all, great set, looks good. I love the little minifigures, they're so cute. But if you love medieval things and just a different type of set with lights, this is the set for you. So everyone, get your bricks out.